Today I'm going to make a quick video how to replace this front windshield wipers on this 2014 Ford Explorer. Alright, all you're simply going to do is press this down and out it comes. Here is the replacement 26-inch. This is for the driver's side. In the kit it comes with multiple ones. This is the one that comes on top. What you simply do is just press this up and out it comes. And we're going to be using this one here. This is the size number 4. Then we'll just clamp this down right into here, just like so, and press it down until it clicks. Then we're gonna slide this into place. These back hooks are gonna go in first, just like that. And then this one will just sit up and this will click into place and you are set. And then all you simply do is do the same thing on the passenger side. This one is a 22-inch. So you do the same thing. You press this down and it releases. Install this number 4 clip. Hook it on the back. And then just press it down. Locks it into place. Sweet. And that is how you install front windshield wipers on this 2014 Ford Explorer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.